Hello everyone, my name is Ayudhya Sucita. Here I will explain about economic principles. Economic principles. In principle, economic is used to meet unlimited demand with limited resources. Economic principles can also mean the choices consumers make and the factor and behavior that influences those choices. This consumer can be any person, company, organization, or government agency that uses service or product with the aim of meeting its need. Consumer are people who will only use the product without reselling it to certain parties. The benefit of economic principles themselves include optimizing existing resources to obtain maximum profit, minimizing the risk of loss or damage, achieving the desired level of prosperity, achieving work results that are guaranteed quality to meet the level of satisfaction of economic actors. Types of economic principles. Consumer economic principles. Consumers are individuals who use product or service to fulfill their needs and play an important role in the supply chain and the generation of national income. In Indonesia, with a population of more than 280 million, local consumption is key to economic turnover. Economic principles that consumers need to consider include 1. Priorities purchase based on benefit and basic needs. 2. Avoiding extravagant lifestyle and choosing goods according to financial capabilities. 3. Choosing the best quality goods. 4. Beginning to get the best price. 5. Comparing expenses and income to avoid running a deficit. Producer economic principles. Producers are those who produce goods and services, including manufacturers, wholesalers, lessors, and retailers. The purpose of production is to add value to goods or create new objects that benefit society. Economic principles for production include 1. Produce goods that are sought after and needed by the community. 2. Adjusting the amount of production to the demand. 3. Search for high-quality raw materials at affordable price. 4. Having employees who are expert, skilled, and disciplined. Determine the location of production close to the source of raw materials and marketing place. Using appropriate technology that is efficient and environmentally friendly. Distributors' economic principles. Distributors are parties that channel product from producer to end consumer, either directly or through retailers. They play an important role in bridging producer and consumer as well as storing goods before distribution. Economic principles that distributors need to consider include 1. Distribution efficiency, using good distribution channel and economical means of transportation to ensure fast, precise, and cheap delivery. 2. 2. Distribution efficiency, determine the most effective and efficient way to deliver goods and service to consumers. 3. 3. Class 3. Classification of goods, sorting out product by type, size, and quantity before they reach consumer and taking into account the purchasing power of the target market. 4. Promotion and service, play a role in product promotion and provide good service to get maximum profit. 5. Timely and careful distribution, distribute goods in a timely and careful manner to prevent damage. Characteristic of economic principles. A. Acts rationally. Always think using common sense without involving emotion and lust before carrying out economic activities or action. B. Act economically. Conduction and economic activity with careful planning and through careful calculation. Acting economically makes a person able to meet the various needs of this life and avoid the habit of waste or spree. C. As dirty. Buying goods or service only according to what is needed. D. Always at using the principles of cost and benefit. That is, always taking into account the cost that will be incurred and the benefit that will be received from an action or economic activity that he does. Application of economic principles. Costly services needed to get something. Rational thinking, market as a place for economic activity. The government has the authority to increase the factor of production, trade-off, and opportunity cost. A country's standard of living depends on its ability to produce goods and services. Trade benefit all parties. Price will increase if the government prints a large amount of money. Society faces a short-term trade-off between inflation and unemployment. Everyone is more responsive to incentives. Okay, thank you guys. See you in next video.